Good morning, adventurers, and welcome to day 3, our second day at sea. And we're headed up to Cabanas for a little breakfast. But you know what? It's going to be a Palo kind of day. Come and join us. We got some of these little, I don't think I've ever seen these. Not sure. See Black Panther. Oh, and here comes Ariel. See Black Panther.
Who else it is?
Wakanda forever!
That means you were just an ally.
Yes.
Can't forget about you, my friend. Why, thank you. Let us commemorate this moment. Support Wakanda. I'll give you your strongest battle pose.
Oh boy.
That's all right.
Don't freeze.
I never freeze.
What about you, my friend? Perfect. Give me your strongest pose.
All right, so off we go to one of our favorite activities on any Disney cruise, Palo brunch. Let's go. All right, deck 9 is deck 10 is where Palo is. Now, smaller ships don't have Remy. They just have Palo. For Wonder and Magic just have Palo, unlike the others. Take a little opportunity to show a little bit of what's on the brunch, so we don't have to do that. Here's our non-alcoholic and iced tea cubes.
Onion, Mediterranean roll with spinach, olives, and sun-dried tomatoes, Parmigiano grissini stick, as well as the sesame seed lavash. Enjoy! Thank you. Our Nutella-filled roll, as well as the plain croissant and the almond croissant with the almond paste. This is our cured meat antipasti selection. We have the air-cured sirloin, the prosciutto di Parma, Coppa, that is the neck of the pork, and the salami gentile. And we have as well 2 cheese.
So one of our favorites, the poached egg runny with ham, or otherwise known as egg benedict. Alright, next on the list, tomato soup. And then my dearest got her true and tried celery soup. Then go with the classics, chicken parmesan with a little risotto underneath there. My dearest, melt in your mouth, lasagna. So both me and my babe got the chocolate amaretto fondant. I might have mixed those words up. Being this a Palo kind of day, it's already Pirates Day here at sea. There's a pirate with an Irish accent.
Never. Y'all will never do that again.
I also want to say this is a little different from our other vlogs because we are traveling with friends. So interaction has been, we want to keep it to a point where they're enjoyable and it's not all about the vlog, but still show some of the things that we do and like to have fun here on the Disney Cruise Line. But tonight is Pirates, and in fact, we are going to get ourselves all, well, not quite pirated up like other people do, but dressed in our Pirates clothing and go see Jack Sparrow and have a picture with him. And then, of course, it's the fireworks. Now, we did notice, and hopefully we're really hoping this is a mistake, because we like Mickey's Pirates of the Caribbean party, but it's not on the map. It's not on the app. I mean, so that's where, you know, Captain Hook and they duel it out. We love that. I mean, you know, it's over and over again if you cruise the Disney Cruise Lines, but still, we love that show. It's not on this cruise, so we'll see. Hopefully, we'll be pleasantly surprised. But in other words, fireworks at sea, yes, they are. How cool is this shirt? I've got a jar of dirt. I've got a jar of dirt. So we're in line to take pictures with Captain Jack Sparrow. We'll put those pictures in right now. Oh, he's good. He's a good one.
Oh, he's here. Okay. I didn't know he was here.
Welcome to the Caribbean. Actually, I didn't know where we are.
Really on the Gulf, really. Right. So our new friend from Louisiana, Miss Patra. She's a big Jack Sparrow fan.
Oh, what is Jack doing?
Oh. Hey, Jack.
Captain,
Captain Jack. Sorry, it's Captain Jack.
don't you forget it.
I'm sorry.
I'll make you walk the plank.
I will not do that. I'm sorry.
Captain.
Look what we got here. A new face on the horizon. You know, I haven't had the pleasure of meeting someone as intriguing as you.
Oh, Lordy.
Tell me, have you had the honor of sailing with the pirates?
I have that.
Well, stick with me and we're in for an adventure.
I
A
will
really good
gladly
story
do
to
it.
tell.
Oh, I love it, Jack.
What have we got here?
He's got a jar of dirt. Look.
Here. I've got a jar. Well, let's see.
Alright, did want to get a little picture of Mickey, the statue Mickey, not picture, statue, here in the atrium. Some pictures with backdrops on Pirate Night. We'll put them in right now. Alright, tonight's show, Magic with Eric Jones. Alright, so tonight's show is Magician Eric Jones. And there's no filming inside the Walt Disney Theater. All right, so we're going to head down to the atrium. Going to do a little group picture with our friends from Louisiana and then head back to Rapunzel's royal table for our meal before going upstairs. And we're going to send it out with some fireworks at sea. Take a few little video from Deck 5. And here comes Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Hey, Daisy. Very cute. Love it. Another great shot here of the atrium from Deck 5. You see nicely the Lumieres down there. And here comes Goofy.
Oh, good. I'm not going your way, Goofy. No. You're good. You got it. Don't worry. It's all right. Whoa.
Hi, Goofy. Goofy,
All right, let's head back to Rapunzel's royal table for our second meal setting there. All right, for appetizer, my dearest, got the vegetable samosa. Bon appetit. All right, and I got the Caesar salad. I wouldn't really like Alright, my dearest got the wedge salad. Alright, because we did Palo, I just couldn't tolerate anything on this. So I just got light mac and cheese, little fries. Did order big boy dessert though, can't pass that up. And my dearest got the mango soup. Alright, my dearest got for her main entree. Chicken breast with mashed potato, or baked potato. Alright, and for dessert, I got the banana paradise, I believe. Not quite what I was expecting, but maybe it's good. And Keegan got the cheesecake tart. This is the cobbler.
Yeah.
Mama got the cheesecake tart. That looks pretty delicious.
Our Pirates in the Caribbean party is about to start, and I just wanted to tell you that no matter what happens tonight, I'm on your side. And don't forget,
All right, friends, day 3, our second day at sea comes to an end with a big bang. Of course, never gets old. Fireworks at sea, but just had another good sort of restful day at sea. Of course, it was a Palo kind of a day. Never gets old. You always feel so full if you come out of there. And then you just kind of don't feel a whole lot like eating your dinner, but still had a good dinner at Rapunzel's royal table. So saw a couple characters, did a little thing with Daisy. Certainly saw Captain Jack Sparrow. That was fun on Pirates Night. So our first port of call tomorrow will be Grand Caymans, where we've got a catamaran booked and a snorkeling experience. So that will be good. So come along with us for that, and see what else we got planned for tomorrow. So all that said, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We're up for adventure, and as we always say, onward to our next adventure. Bye for now.
well, folks, I promised you a party, so here's a